Hi everyone, this is Regay. Today I'm going to show you how I made my silver holly leaf wreath. I used a 6-inch square for this project, a 5-inch square, and a 4-inch square. You're going to fold from corner to corner. Rotate your paper and fold from corner to corner again. This next step you're going to need some double-sided tape. And if you see the picture now where the red lines are, add your double-sided tape. Going to do a line down the center. A line down one side. And another line down the other side. Remove your tape. And fold the bottom corner to the top corner to adhere the tape. Now you're going to fold your triangle into 8 separate parts. And if you've ever made a paper fan, this is the exact same way you would fold this, just a back and forth, equal parts. Okay, and now you're going to fold it from side to side. Okay, now you're going to have to make some cuts. As you can see, I've drawn some J shapes into that, and you simply just cut those J shapes out. And then after you've cut them, you're going to fold it back up into the fan type sections. Now you're going to add some more double-sided tape. Remove the backing. And fold these two sections together. And now you can see the holly leaf is taking its shape. Okay, now we've got to cut the back section off. Okay. You may have to do a little shaping here after you cut the back piece off. And it's completed. Now, depending on the size of the wreath you're using is going to depend on how many of these you have to make. So keep that in mind. All right, now I'm going to show you how to add the toothpick so you can attach it to your wreath later. Gonna need a piece of thin wire, starting and pushing it through the front of the leaf and twisting at the back of it. Okay, set your toothpick there and just wind your wire around the toothpick. And this is where your hot glue gun is going to come in. You're going to have to put some hot glue on it to secure it to the leaf. And after it's secure, it's ready to add to your wreath. The project I did, I used a 22-inch diameter wreath. You can see I've added the floral laces to it. There's a back view. This is my completed wreath. This shows you the layers that I used and how I put the layers together. And I also added some red berries.